teach literacy and numeracy? Are you a vocational tutor who embeds literacy and numeracy? Are you keen to support your learners within their reading and writing development? Then this course is for you. Many learners struggle to read the longer, more technical words and may find spelling hard. Decoding and spelling are the foundations of literacy, and having good strategies for both of these is the key to a learner's reading and writing success. In the Wordwise course, we will show you some practical strategies for teaching decoding and spelling to your learners. The great thing is that you can teach them at the same time, as they are based on the same foundation. During the course, we will explore these 4 questions. Why should I teach decoding and spelling? Why is English spelling so complex? What do good decoders and spellers do? What decoding and spelling strategies can I teach? We will look at each of these 4 areas in depth throughout the course. You will also learn how to apply the Te Pare Taka Whā model in your teaching of decoding and spelling. The course starts with a workshop and is followed by an optional 4-week online course. I would really encourage you to do the free online course after the workshop, because you will have the opportunity to put into practice the teaching strategies at your own pace and connect with me and the other participants to reflect on how things have gone. And of course, you can earn digital badges as evidence that you've completed the course. I hope to see you in our course soon.